Hello friend, welcome back. This is Sanjay Kumar, founder of SelectorsHub. Request you please subscribe to the channel if you are new here to get all the upcoming updates on SelectorsHub, TestCase Studio and lot more conceptual videos on XPath, selectors and complex scenarios on automation. Great, thank you. Thank you so much. So what's new in SelectorsHub 4.1.7? It's been quite some time lots of releases has been done and many new time saver innovation has been added. So let's see what all those are and how they can help you to improve your productivity and how they can help you to solve some invalid errors, etc. So the very first thing is now you will get this proper error message if you will be writing any wrong, if you will be using any wrong code in your XPath. I'm not sure if you are aware about the fact that XPath doesn't support the tilted code. It does support only the vertical code. Like for an example, if you inspect any element here, and this is the XPath here, so you see that there is a single quote here. Okay, like if I copy this XPath, paste it somewhere. Now, if you notice that there is a single quote here, these single quotes are vertical one. If I delete this or if I type here something, let's say delete this and again type this, you see that this has got tilted now. This is vertical one. So XPath supports only the vertical codes. If you hit enter now, you will get to know that XPath doesn't support tilted code. Use vertical code. So if you will be getting any if you will do by any mistake by any chance in your XPath for codes, you will get a proper error message from SelectorsHub. Earlier it used to show invalid XPath and says that check the syntax. Now it will let you know that what is wrong there in your XPath in case of codes as well. This will definitely help you guys a lot. I have created a detailed tutorial on it and you can find that video in the channel, so please check out that and learn more about it, like what error you will get in when you will execute the code and all. Great. Then let me show you the change log of these releases. So yes, then if I talk about the previous release 4.1.6, there's a fix for Control Z for Chrome browser. Earlier there was a thing like actually with the fundamental concepts, Chrome doesn't allow uh, Control Z on DevTools extensions, the extensions which opens in the DevTools. Like if you type something here, let's say if we have typed this XPath, and if we try to do Control Z here, earlier it used to, sometimes it works, sometimes doesn't work. Most of the time it doesn't work because Chrome doesn't allow. So for that, though in other browser it's working absolutely fine in SelectorsHub, like if you open Edge browser, Firefox browser, everywhere it used to work like a champ, but only in Chrome it was not working properly. So for now the support has been added. If you will do Control Z here in Chrome, now this will also work, and this way it will solve your problem. So you can do that Control Z or Command Z, whichever is supported in your system. The content of the pop-up HTML also has been updated for better readability here. If you click here, so earlier this content was on the top and these instructions were written below. So many times I have found that some of the users and some of the new users of SelectorsHub were facing the challenge that how to use SelectorsHub, and as soon as they click on this pop-up, instructions was down, and first they see that donate and supports links, etc., like whatever these links are. So that's where for the better usability perspective and give the better user experience, the instructions has been added on the top and then rest of the supported links has been added in the below so that people can navigate properly. So this was a small updates on 4.1.6. Then the major updates are there in 4.1.7. Like one I said told you that now selectors will give the proper error message for wrong codes, like XPath doesn't support tilted codes, use vertical codes. So this is a very good message, very good support, because earlier people have wasted a lot of time, and it was, trust me, it is like almost many times impossible to identify with the bare eyes. Nobody will say that this XPath is wrong. Who will say? Never. It's not never possible to, like, just by looking at these codes, we will never be able to figure it out that this is a tilted and this is a vertical one. So right, here we can identify, because I just now I have typed this and this one, so we can say. Otherwise, like, if you ask anyone, nobody will ever tell, ever will be able to tell that this is a code thing is wrong. So many times people have faced a lot of challenges because of this and wasted a lot of time. Then in this release 4.1.7, lots of good thing has been added from the from the user, those who prefer to do web scraping the data of the web page, as well as for the people those who do the testing through XPath. I will create a separate tutorial that how you can how powerful XPath is for manual testing as well as automation testing. Many complex scenarios you can solve in just in seconds, few seconds through XPath, which can take a lot of time when you write the automation script or do it manually. So like for an example, suppose on this page we want to get the text of all the links. How can we get that? We can write /a and then just simply write text here. So you see here that all the text of links here, we got it. Like this is the one. These all the text we got for all the links here in this page. What we can do simply, like earlier there was no copy option. Like earlier we were not able to copy all this content. Like we had to select, and then there were some challenges we were facing to copy this content. Now in SelectorsHub you will be having the copy icon here. You just have to click on this, and all the content has been, all the text has been copied, and you can simply paste it here. So this is how you can get the you can scrap the data of any website and simply copy that. This will help a lot. Like let's say you are on Amazon website and you search for, let's say, iPhone or something, anything, and you want to scrap some data like all the names of the phone which came in this page. So what you can do here, like you just write the XPath for the name thing. I'm just giving an example. Here you write, let's say you have written some XPath here, which is kind of like common XPath. We can write contains @class, and if something is there which says the name or something like that, that we can write here. So this class itself is like kind of used for name. So you see all the names are highlighted here. Now simply we can write here /text, and you see that now we got all the text. So basically we got all the phone's name came shown here in this page. So you can simply copy this, and wherever like we want to paste, we can paste it and see that all the, whether when we have searched for on the Amazon website, when we have searched for iPhone, whether it is showing iPhone only or something else. So now you see that it has shown iPhone, while it has shown this almost everything is iPhone only. So this is correct only, all the results are correct, not Apple or not Samsung or any other phone it is showing. So this way, I mean, one of the example that you can do this kind of testing through XPath. And here you got this super powerful copy button to copy the content. So this is the next feature, and I'm so grateful and thankful to Gaurav Khurana, who suggested this feature. So he suggested this feature. He raised a ticket here on GitHub of SelectorsHub. So here you can see that he has suggested this feature to add this option to copy, because he is a very devotee, and he he was distributing the Gita book, Bhagavad Gita, to everyone, and he's doing a really great cause. So for that, like he was trying to scrap the data, some data on any page. So for that purpose, he was trying to copy the content but was not able to copy and was facing some challenge. So that's where this idea came from, like Bhagavad Gita concept. So really good idea. And this will save definitely a lot of time for the people. Now you can copy the content just by this clicking on this copy button from here. Then auto suggest for our attribute name and text. So like you see this earlier, when you were like after writing the XPath, when you were uh, trying to type some, like say text here, you had to type complete thing, it was not giving auto suggest. Or you, let's say you want to fetch all the URL. So earlier it was not giving this kind of suggestion for attribute and text, but now it will give. So whenever you have the like long attribute or something like that is there, you need not to type that complete text or attribute name. Selectors will suggest you. So again, it will make your task easy and improve your productivity. Then for close shadow DOM, now area text box will not be shown as it is not required. Earlier, like when you were inspecting the closed shadow DOM, it used to suggest that this is inside closed shadow DOM, and then the area box was showing, which was not really required. So now it has been removed and it will not show. So suppose if you inspect any element which is inside closed shadow DOM, so now if you open SelectorsHub, this will have the proper error message, this only, there is no area box. And it has we have also added, I have also added this watch this tutorial to handle the closed shadow DOM elements. Because yes, we all know that we cannot locate, we cannot write the selector for closed shadow DOM elements, but you see that there is a way, there is a workaround through which we can automate the closed shadow DOM elements as well. So I would request you, please do check out this tutorial. You will learn really amazing concepts and things how you can automate the closed shadow DOM elements as well. Then improve the message for the closed shadow DOM for better understanding. So now you see that when you will be inspecting the closed shadow DOM elements here, so you will have this proper error message and this tutorial link as well. So immediately you can see that yes, it is possible and how you can handle that. So that is there. For closed shadow DOM, now it shows the tutorial link. Yes. And so yeah, these are some major improvements has been done on SelectorsHub site. Apart from SelectorsHub release, I have also created this launched this page, created this page which is very innovative page. It has covered all the complex scenarios of automation like shadow DOM, iframe, nested iframe, iframe inside shadow DOM inside iframe. So this has all these huge scenarios, like very rare complex scenarios covered in this page, which can be which is very useful for anyone who wants to practice about automation, for all the trainers, those who want to teach the complex scenarios, for all the interviewers, those who want to take the interview of a person and want to see how good he is in automation, whether he knows some complex scenarios or not. And for the people, those who want to practice, they can also do the practice. Trainer can teach this teach through this page, on this page. Because earlier, in fact, like when I started training on XPath Selectors, I faced a lot of challenges. Like I had to jump from here to there, from this website to other website, and then there was no website which was having the scenarios like iframe inside shadow DOM inside iframe, nested shadow DOM, nested iframe. So it was really challenging that finding any website. So this is a page where you will find all the complex scenarios, and this will help you a lot. So this is another major thing apart from Selectors Hub. Then I have also launched this Udemy course, which will which has all the content A to Z from about XPath, cssSelector, WebElements, DOM, Shadow DOM, iframe, etc. Everything which I teach in live Selectors Hub training. So because many of the people were not able to join my live training due to availability, time constraint, and as well as the different time zones. So for them, I have created this course. You can take this course from here under courses and recordings. Trust me guys, this will really help you a lot to improve your knowledge as well as productivity. And this is very cheap and available like very good discount today when I'm creating this tutorial. It is almost available with this 87% off, so you can directly enroll and take this course. And if you want to join my live training, definitely you can register here. The next batch, when I'm creating this tutorial on 4th Jan, the next batch is going to start from 10th January 2022. uh, this will be the morning regular batch. All the details you can find it here. So these are the like training Udemy course and this XPath practice page. Here you can find under more, you can check out this practice page. So apart from SelectorsHub, these are some of the new things which I have launched and created for the community. This will really help you guys a lot. And if you want to test your knowledge, just try to enter value in each and every field of this page, and trust me, you will be amazed and you will really enjoy this doing automating this page. This is really good. And apart from this, like lots of great tutorials I have created on SelectorsHub YouTube channel, so I would request you please watch them here, and this will help you to improve your knowledge, and definitely you will learn lots of good things like code thing, how to automate closed shadow DOM which is inside open shadow DOM, what is the difference between text dot normalize space, why dev2's control plus f shows zero count. So lots of really good uh, tutorials I have created, so do check out them in the Selectors of YouTube channel. And if you are new here, again I would request you please like the video, please subscribe the channel, and let others know about this great innovations and this tool. And if you have any suggestion, you want me to create tutorial on any other topic or any other XPath or selectors related problems you are facing, please let me know in the comment section. I will try to create the tutorial on that. And I will keep creating more innovative features, more innovations I will keep doing. Please keep supporting. And if you find selectors of TestCase Studio and these innovative things helpful and they are saving time for you, please consider a small donation so that we can keep running these products free forever for community as well as for everyone. And we'll keep growing and keep improving these product and keep adding more new product under selectors of umbrella. With that, thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep sharing, keep growing. Thank you so much.